Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear students, how are you? This is the online class of Dr. Khastagir Government Girls High School and I am Mushfiqa Akhtar Choudhury. Today we are in class 8 and the subject is English, that is English for today. So let's begin the class. Dear students, at first look at these pictures. What can you see in these 4 pictures? Yes, in these 4 pictures we can see 4 aeroplanes. There are aeroplanes and passengers getting into the plane. So guess what we are gonna do in the class? Yes, you are very much right. Today we are going to read about traveling by air. Okay. So our today's topic is class 8 English for today, unit 6, going on a foreign trip, lesson 6, announcements on board, part 2. Dear students, after the class we will be able to listen for information, listen to and follow announcements, read and understand text, write answers to the questions. Dear students, at the very beginning, let's check the new words that is in the topic. And here there is a list of some words. The first word is exit. Do you know what is the meaning of exit? Let's check. Yes, exit is a noun and it means a passage or way out. Okay. Our second word is locate. Is it known to you? Locate. It's a verb and the meaning of locate is to specify the position. Our third word is monitored. It is also a verb and monitor means supervised or to keep close watch over. Okay. And our fourth word is assume. Dear students, what is the meaning of assume? Assume is a verb and assume means to take on an appearance, a role, etc. And the last word in the list is turbulence. Turbulence is a noun and it means unstable movement. So these are the new vocabularies that we may encounter in the topic. Alright girls, here is a picture of a plane and a cabin crew. Look at the picture attentively and guess what she is doing and why she is doing so. What do you think? What she is doing, dear girls? She has something in her hands and all the passengers are looking at her. It seems that the cabin crew is saying or informing something to the passengers who are sitting in front of her. Okay.
Unit 6,
Okay.
Lesson 6,
Now,
B. Announcements on board, 2.
very carefully as we have to answer
Ladies
some
and
questions
gentlemen,
later.
I'd like to draw your full attention to the television monitors. We will be showing our safety demonstration and would like to have your complete attention for the next few minutes. When the seat belt sign illuminates, you must fasten your seat belt. Insert the metal fittings one into the other and tighten by pulling onto the loose end of the strap. To unfasten your seat belt, lift the upper portion of the buckle. We suggest that you keep your seat belt fastened throughout the flight as we may experience turbulence.
So this is the listening part. Hope you all have listened to it very carefully. Okay, now it's the time to answer the questions. Here are 4 questions for you. The first one is, what is the announcement about? Question number 2, how many times has the word belt been said in the announcement? Question number 3, what will you do to fasten your seat belt? And question number 4, what will you do to unfasten your seat belt? Dear students, you have to write all the answers in your classwork copy, okay? Alright, dear students, hope you all have completed writing the answers of the questions. Here we have a passage to read and some exercises that follows. So let's read the passage first. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. In the event of a lack of oxygen, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. Pull the mask towards you and place it firmly over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask first and then assist the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniformed crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency, please assume the bracing position. That is, lean forward with your hands on top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed to do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist and adjust at the front. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord. Before you leave the aircraft, we remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. You will find these and all other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you all an enjoyable flight. So dear students, we have just finished the passage and then let's go for the exercise. Here we have a matching activity, that is, we have 2 columns and there are sentence parts in these 2 columns. What we have to do is we have to make full sentences taking the sentence parts from column A and from column B. Dear students, please write down the full sentences in your classwork copy. Then we will check it out, okay? So in column A, we have the sentence parts that number 1, oxygen and air pressure. Number 2, if you are traveling with a child. Number 3, life vests are placed. Number 4, the whistle and light. Number 5, the card with other safety information. And in B, there are under the seat or between the armrests. Are used to draw attention, is kept in the seat pocket. Put the mask on your nose and mouth first and then help the child. Are always monitored. Hope you all have completed writing the full sentences from this matching activity table. So the first sentence is, oxygen and air pressure are always monitored. Number 2, if you are traveling with a child, put the mask on your nose and mouth first, then help the child. Number 3. Life vests are placed under the seat or between the armrests. Number 4. The whistle and light are used to draw attention. Number 5. The card with other safety information is kept in the seat pocket. I hope all you have finished and all of your answers are correct. Okay. So, dear students, we have a new activity on the reading passage, and it is a multiple choice activity. So, read the passage again and then do the activity. Okay. Dear students, at first read the statement. You all that you have to do is you have to read the statement and you have to select the correct answers related to the statement. So, number 1 is, there are more than 2 emergency exits in the aircraft. Here exit means A. doors, B. departures, C. windows, and D. seats. And which one is the correct one, dear girls? Yes, departure is the correct answer. MCQ activity number 2. In the announcement, the cabin crew asked each passenger to dash their life vest. What is the correct word for this? Dash. A. trace, B. take, C. find, D. uncover. And it is the correct answer. Okay. MCQ activity number 3. During emergency, the passengers are requested to assume the bracing position. Here, assume means A. take on, B. suppose, C. shoulder, D. seats. And the correct one is this one, A. take on. And MCQ activity number 4. The cabin crew with their nice behavior made all these passengers feel safe and dash when the plane is bumping. What is the correct word for this gap? Okay. A. worried, B. fixed, and C. happy. My dear girls, what do you think? Which one is the correct one? Yes, it is happy. Okay, dear girls, it is the last activity for your today's class. Okay, dear students, now there is a writing activity for you. Write a short note on the security measures that one has to follow in an air journey. And this is your homework. And this is the end of our today's class. So, my dear students, this is all for today. Stay healthy, stay safe, and don't forget to follow the rules of health. Okay, goodbye.